Hello, everyone. I'm Tony Zeng from Cornskin Company. Today, I'd like to introduce an indispensable piece of equipment in sweater manufacturing, the sewing disc machine. The sewing disc machine, as the core tool in sweater production, plays a crucial role, utilizing rapidly rotating needles and thread wheels. It precisely and efficiently sews together various parts of the sweater, ensuring both durability and a sleek, appealing appearance. Whether it's the neckline, cuffs, or the connections between the body and sleeves, the sewing disc machine handles it all with precision. While the operation of the sewing disc machine may seem straightforward, it requires skilled techniques and ample experience. Different sweater styles and fabrics have varying operational requirements for the machine. Skilled operators can flexibly adjust the machine's parameters based on different needs, ensuring optimal stitching results for each sweater. With the continuous development of technology, modern sewing disc machines have become increasingly intelligent, not only improving production efficiency but also significantly reducing the labor intensity for workers. However, regardless of technological advancements, skilled operation techniques and a rigorous work attitude remain crucial for producing high-quality sweaters. I'm Tony Zeng, and we'll meet again next time.